Welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you a little Louis Vuitton unboxing. This was kind of purchased at the store and then just sent to me because they did not have it in stock. So I didn't get the little cute packaging and everything, but it just came in. I think it came in yesterday and I wasn't home. So they went ahead and left it for me. I love that we have cameras all over the place because whenever my guys come to drop stuff off, I'm literally like, hey, go ahead and leave it, or, I'll tell them, you know what, just keep it. I'll get it tomorrow or something like that. So I just absolutely love that. Anyways, this is the little box that it comes in. I didn't want to show you the top because my address is on it. But of course, whenever you open it, it says Louis Vuitton. So long story short, this is my brother's phone case. He got a phone case from my mom for Christmas. I believe it was this past Christmas. And he literally had it on his phone, which he takes care of everything like I do. But he literally had his case on his phone like probably a month, maybe a month. And his canvas started cracking. I mean, like really, really, really bad. And then the glazing on the side started peeling. I mean, it was just crazy. But since we do not live close to a Louis Vuitton store, like they would give them the runaround and be like, yeah, like you're gonna have to send it in. But then they would say, let me get back to you and stuff like that. And they literally gave him the runaround like crazy. So as soon as I told him that I was gonna go to Denver to a Louis Vuitton store, he was like, you're taking my case. So I was in there and he showed me the cases that they had in stock, and they were Damier Ben, but the black version, which I absolutely love. I just love the men's line. So anyways, while I tell you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open it because you guys don't really want to hear the story. Y'all want to see what he got. So, oops, it did not come with ribbon or anything. It just came in the box just like so. And he literally was like, I just do not want the Damier Ben because his was Monogram. It was the little Folio book or Folio case. And his phone is the iPhone X. And he was like, I just do not want the Damier Ben. And that's the only one that they had. They did have Monogram, but of course it was just, they had pink on it and stuff like that. So he was just like, I just want my Monogram one in the black version, and they didn't have it. So I was like, you know what? Like, you don't have it in stock, like he's just gonna keep his old one. And my new essay, who I love, he was like, absolutely not. Like, I am not letting you take this case back to him. Like, it is totally just destroyed. Like, I'm not gonna give it back to you. And I was just like, okay, like what can we do? And he goes, So he gets online and he looked and he was like, what about this one? So I will see if I can find a picture, or maybe even I took a picture of Andre's old case. I will put it here and in the condition that it was in. Like, it was really bad already. Of course, it's been a year. So, I mean, it was bad. And it was very, very, very cracky. Very cracked on the canvas, but on the corners. So anyways, they, I guess, have just been improving everything that they've had so much problems with, which, oh, Louis Vuitton, like you shouldn't even have these kinds of problems anymore. I mean, it's not like you're a brand new brand or anything, but anyways, they're improving things that just they've noticed that has not worked in the past. So what I got to do was give him the old case that was, cracked and everything. And Andre got to switch it out for another case, which was great. But since prices did go up, what my mom purchased his for, she had to pay my brother had to pay the difference, and it was like $130 or something like that. But anyways, this is his new case, and oh my goodness, like I saw it and I was like, I wish that they made this in my phone. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I wish that they made this for my phone. Like, how cute is this? The only thing is that whenever I would get on my brother's phone, you do not obviously want to bend it back. It's going to obviously make it crease even more or crack or whatever. So it's just, I don't know if I would be able to like be like this texting. I don't know. It's just, it was really hard to get used to, and it wasn't even my phone, it was my brother's. But I tell him like, how do you do this? And he's like, oh, you get used to it. So anyways, this phone case, as you can see, now has this black piece right here, right through the middle, which is great. And it's rounded. My brother's was like a square, like a rectangle, you know, it was flat right here. It was all monogram like this canvas. So it was just cracking like so quick and so easily. So I love that. My brother wasn't too fond of the new piece that they put right here, but that's the whole point of renewing the case so it does not crack and do all that again. So I will get closer so I can show you guys. This is the Folio. It is so beautiful. It has this rounded edge, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. And then it has, this is what the back looks like. Of course, this is where your camera is. So it's super nice. And another thing, the interior on my brother's was not like this. So let me show you real quick, just in case you want the SKU. It is the iPhone X Folio and the ECLIPSE. Looks just like that. And of course, they just put the little Louis Vuitton things in here. And then it comes with the Louis Vuitton little card in there. But the interior is stunning. So of course, I believe that my brother had like his card holder, his little card slots here, but he did not have this extra pocket, and he did not have, it was literally just this on the bottom. You guys know what I'm talking about. But it did not have this extra piece of Louis Vuitton canvas in there, or the monogram canvas. And now it does. And not only that, but it's like a little, you know, like a little card slot, you know, you can put your ID or anything in there, which is awesome. Oh my gosh. The material in here is definitely like the bags. It's like the, like a microfiber lining. I absolutely love it. My brother never had issues with the stickiness of his. He would never take it on and off. He always kept it on. So maybe that had a lot to do with it. But I love this one, like love. Like if I got to choose out of his old one to this one, I would definitely choose this one. This one was made in Spain, which is awesome. He's gonna be very happy about that. I'm trying to show you. I don't know if it'll focus for me. But then up here it has 1, 2, 3 card slots. Your fourth one here. And then you can also put something up here. So it has like a nice size little slip pocket. That's where they have this in there, and you just stick it in there. And you can, I'm sure you can put like cash or something in there. I wouldn't want to make it too fat, but I mean, it's your phone case, so it's up to you. But my brother obviously, I mean, honestly, never had like too much in his phone case. I honestly don't think I ever saw any cards in here. So I don't think he's gonna, I don't know. But anyways, I love that they did this extra piece. I think that is so beautiful. I love that they put the stamping that usually goes right here. They put it up here, so they still put it on there. And then of course, just your front, your sides, and the back, which is awesome. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to show it to him or to take it to him, because this is his, not mine. But I definitely wanted to share it with you guys and speak about the differences in the old version and the new version, because there's a lot of differences. And I'm so glad that Louis Vuitton definitely like redid it, remade it to where they tried to fix the mistakes that they used to make in the past, which is great. I love that we were able to do the swap, even though like he had to pay $130. Like they could have just been like, well, you know, you've had it for a year, you can't swap it. You know, they could have been awful about it. So I was so glad that they let him do that. And I'm just excited. That is a beautiful case. I would love to have a piece of the ECLIPSE, you know, like even if it's, I think I saw the toiletry 26 in store the other day, and I was just like, oh, no, I think it was a damier bin. That's why I wasn't too crazy about it. But they do make it in the monogram, and I would love to have something in this print. It is just beautiful. I don't care if it's the men's line. I would love to have it. Love, love, love. I love it. It's so classic. It's beautiful. I love it. I am obsessed with it. So anyways, I know this was kind of chatty. I've just been super chatty today, but I'm really excited with these like new purchases. You know, I'm excited for my brother to get his new case. I know he wasn't excited that it looks a little different, but I absolutely love it. And I know he is gonna love this one. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I also wanted to do this video to, you know, if you guys are looking for one, you know, or looking to purchase one, you know what to look for, what it's gonna look like, what's new about it, and so on and so forth. So of course, I will definitely see you guys very soon in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. Bye guys.